Hello my beloved Cathynatics, it's me again, Cathynatics Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya, Gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, let's review one of the Indian food places here in Las Vegas. And right now we are here at Kabob, or Oasis Kabob. Again, this is actually located very close to Mccarran Airport. It's one of the biggest airports here in Las Vegas, but I think it's the only airport, right? The only airport here in Las Vegas pala. So it's right there. Yan. International airport. Yan. So that place is also a parking space. Yan, may blue. Yan dyan. People can park their car there and watch the airplanes land and depart. Yan po yung runway. Yan. And I think every few minutes merong nagla-landing and meron ding nagde-depart ng mga airplanes there. So that's the highway, and then across that is this place. And I have a lot of recommendations to check out this place. Even people that we know who ate here, they all said the same thing. It's very good and fresh and clean. And right now, looking around, so far, place-wise, ambience and location, it is really clean. So let's check the food ready na. So this is how the Oasis Kabob menu book looks like. And as you can see, they do have different kinds of dishes on their menu. And this page is for the kebabs. You can choose either ground or meat chunks. So I ordered one stick of beef kebab for $11.99, and we also did two choices for $17.99, which is the beef and lamb, because you can mix it together. They also have some gyros, burgers, and salads. So for this lunch, this is already 12 o'clock, we ordered two things. So this one is two choices with the lamb and the beef. And of course they have these the Indian rice, the long grain rice with grilled tomato and a little bit of salad. And then this one naman is just all beef. So ayan po, almost the same, but just has two choices and one choice. So ayan, let's go eat mga unta, mga kayon, kain po. I have a small salad, grilled tomato, yung Indian rice nila na long grain, beef, and of course the bread. Pita or naan, yung ganito, yung flatbread nila na freshly made. So let's eat. Very soft.
This officer got in touch with the rioter and said, you have to take down those messages because the FBI is investigating this. In this indictment, it lays out what that officer said. This is what he said in part. He said, hey, I'm a Capitol Police officer who agrees with your political stance.
Lamb dog.
Down the part about in the building.
This is the lamb.
Investigating, and everyone who is in the building is going to be charged. Just looking out. So this indictment is saying that this Capitol Police officer essentially tipped this rioter off to the fact that there was even an FBI investigation. But then there's the second part of this indictment, the second obstruction count. This is because this Capitol Police officer allegedly went in
So,
fact,
yung lamb meat, if you smell it, you can really tell that it's lamb. Meron siyang gamey smell. So, This one, alam mo talaga na lamb. But, depending on how they cook it, minsan, parang maanggo. Parang ganun yung parang karne ng kambing. Ganun din iba na maganda yung pagkakaluto. So, let's try this one. Lasang lamb. Pero hindi siya ganun ka, yung strong. It's not that strong. It's not that gamey. As far as taste, it's pretty good. Pretty good.
Challenging fast communication with his indigenous forces he unleashed on January 6th. He has embraced ever more absurd and malicious conspiracy theories. He has shown even less stability, humanity, responsibility, and restraint. And his support among Republicans has grown. And his strongest supporters are in feedback loop of radicalization. As the kids say, find the lie. No lie here. Are America's democratic institutions built to withstand ongoing assault like this? We said it before, it feels like the insurrection happened at well, this is a case where actual events would be placed that we just saw on the television. The president was making direct, positive efforts to change the leadership at the Department of Iraq's helping with their role, and he's going to just get more listeners to his podcast, raise more money off of this, more attention, and kind of drag this out. And, this is somebody who said the dates on January 5th for the attack on the Capitol on January 6th, that all hell was going to break loose. Now, how do you know that?
I'm nodding my head not because of the greens, but because of the dressing that they put on the salad. It's parang lemony, tangy, and it's really good.
Worse for him to talk to them than to defy the subpoena, but President Biden has said that he thinks that this should be enforced, though it is the Justice Department decision, so now it goes to the Justice Department, and then we'll see whether they're willing to enforce compliance with it.
Switching gears just a bit, President Biden was asked about the two Democrats holding up his social safety net bill that goes back to her vote. Let's watch it. Yeah, right after that, we mentioned enforcing a key planning provision onto the shopping block. It sounds like that's not going to be part of this final legislation. Although some of the progressives and the Democratic Party are saying, well, that's not the case. But who's in charge here?
Well, the president's in charge, but he's not king, he's the president. So
This is also good. Very subtle, freshly made, freshly baked, and I think it's wood fire. It's the same. You can taste that it's not from a convection, yung oven, yun.
Completely support this. And moving people who are working in a coal industry into the music industries that
Mababa yung pagkain natin ganyan kung nilalagay sa loob.
Euro?
I guess it's welfare or something, which of course it's not. It's just recognizing that this is an industry that has and is going to do something cleaner because of the environment, and it's where pretty much every country
Concept ng food.
so
Bread.
Joe Biden is not really Joe Biden. There's nothing he can do other than impeach.
And he is trying to help this change.
Well, between this under any circumstances, which he's part of his political family, he's a very loyal guy. If she wanted him to do it, he would do it under any circumstance. I think you need to see that. But if you look at the people that are going to be in Dallas at this fundraiser, he's essentially what's left of the Republican Party. We support this.
they do?
So
Shawarma?
tend to say that there is an alternative to travel. And not that I is going to win, but it needs to survive. And right now, to survive as a person, right now, this change.
Alright guys, so I'm pretty full and these are my leftovers. So all the meats are gone, but they're really good. And you know that feeling when you're eating something and you feel like that you're eating clean and fresh? Yung parang ganun yung vibes niya. And it's really fresh, like they really made it fresh. And yun, overall review ni Bisayang Ilocana, it's amazing. And if you're gonna ask me if we are gonna come back here, my answer would be yes. Babalik pa po kami dito, and it's a new experience for us because we don't really eat, especially this kind of food. Doon kami lagi sa regular at nakasanayan namin. So this one is new, and so far, experience-wise, it's been great. So, ito yung naiwan. I still have the salad. I tried it and it's really good. The dressing, whatever it is, yung parang tangy, lemon, masarap. And ang focus ko is yung meat and the rice. Obviously, walang natira. And they still have the grilled tomato, which is also good. It adds flavor. And the flatbread, I'm gonna take this with me in the car kasi masarap siya, but I'm just really full right now. And whatever this sauce is, I think this is the Kabob sauce that they call, whatever it's in it, maano siya, it's a really good complement dun sa meat. So yun, overall compare. It's really good. So, yun po ang ating review. Alright guys, so yun po. Sa lahat ng mga locals natin and visitors from different states, please visit this place. It's called Fresh Kabob, Oasis Kabob, located at 1405 East Sunset Road, Suite 130, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89119. And there's no way you'll be able to miss this one because this is just right in front of Mccarran International Airport. Yeah. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video at tatakam kayo sa mga pagkain na pinakita ko sa inyo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook. It's Bisayang Ilocana. Together with my Instagram page is also Bisayang Ilocana. And please don't forget to hit the bell button para naman notify kayo sa mga bago kong ina-upload na mga vlogs. Again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana Iloca Bisaya gal. Always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!